Poloprint Cloud. Control printer. The app has remote mode and local mode. When the phone and the machine use the same network, they are in local mode and can print or control the device. Click on the device and select Control. Send control instructions through the app. Click Information. If there is a new firmware, you can update it online. When the mobile phone and the machine are on different networks, they are in remote mode. It can also print models, but the control and firmware update functions are limited. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.